How to remove recommended videos and channels from YouTube. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. As you can see, I am in the YouTube page, and these are my recommended videos and channels. Now, to remove recommended videos, what you can do is click on three dots below the video. After you click on the three dots below the video, click on Not Interested. After you do that, that kind of recommendation will be stopped. And if you want to remove recommended channels, simply click on three dots again below the video of the channel. Then you'll find Don't Recommend Channel option. Click on Don't Recommend Channel. After that, you're good to go. You can simply reload your page, and that kind of video and channel won't be recommended. And this is how to remove recommended videos and channels from YouTube. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest the topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.